Good afternoon, students. Today I am going to teach you the lesson The Adventures of Toto. The Adventures of Toto is written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond was born in 1934. He is a Red Indian writer. He is famous for his story writing. He has spent most of his life in Dehradun. He always mentioned in his stories about hills, about his childhood, and different type of birds and animals. In this story, he has taken a little baby monkey whose name was Toto. As you know, monkeys are notorious by nature. They do different notorious activities. In this lesson, Toto has done different types of notorious activities, and his notorious activities has been referred here Adventures of Toto. The Adventures of Toto. As you know that Ruskin Bond always mentions in his stories about his grandfather, his grandmother, and also about his childhood. Now, I am going to tell summary of the lesson, The Adventures of Toto. Toto was a red baby monkey. Toto was a red baby monkey. One day, the writer's grandfather bought it from a Tanga driver for 5 rupees because he was fond of keeping pets. His little Jew consisted of a tortoise, a pair of rabbits, a tame squirrel, a goat, and a sea donkey whose name was Nana. As you know that his little Jew consisted of a tortoise, a pair of rabbits, a tame squirrel, a goat, and a sea donkey whose name was Nana. Toto was added to his little Jew. Toto was added to his little Jew. Toto was a pretty monkey. Toto was a pretty monkey. His bright eyes sparkled with mischief. His bright eyes sparkled with mischief. His teeth were purely white. His teeth were purely white. his smile frightened the elderly ladies. But his hands were dried up, his fingers were quick and wigged. His fingers were quick and wigged. His tail served as a third hand. His tail served as a third hand. It helped him hang from the branch of a tree. As you know that monkeys used their tails to hang from the branches of the tree. That's why the tails of monkeys are called the third hand. Now, grandmother never liked grandfather's habit of bringing home some new bird and animal. The writer's grandfather always want to bring writer's grandfather always wants to bring different type of birds and animals to consist in his zoo. But the writer's grandmother did not like the habit of his grandfather. It means grandmother never liked grandfather's habit of bringing home some new bird and animal. She always fused. She always fused. So he decided to keep Toto secretly in the house. Toto was put in a little closet. Toto was put in a little closet. Closet means a small room. He was tied securely to a peg in the wall. A few hours later, when the writer and his grandfather went back to untie Toto. A few hours later, when the writer and his father went back to untie Toto, they were shocked. They were shocked to see the damage done by the wicked Toto. It means there Toto had done notorious activities. Seeing the notorious activities, writer and his grandfather became shocked. Toto had torn off all the wallpaper. Toto had torn off all the wallpaper, pulled the peg out of the wall, pulled the peg out of the wall, and tore writer's coat to small pieces. The writer was scared of grandmother's reaction, but grandfather didn't worry. He seemed pleased with Toto's performance. Seeing the performance of Toto, the grandfather became very happy. He called Toto a clever thing. After some time, Toto was transferred to a big cage in the servants' quarters, where other animals lived peacefully. But this little monkey didn't allow any of his companions to sleep at night. The next day, grandfather was to go Saharanpur to collect his pension. Next day, grandfather was to go to Saharanpur to collect his pension. He decided to take Toto along with him. He put Toto in a big and strong canvas bag. Toto tried to escape from there, but he could not. At Saharanpur, when grandfather was coming out of the station, Toto suddenly poked his head out of the bag. Before the ticket collector